Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Now with pumpkin season well upon us, I thought I'd try my hand at making a pumpkin pie. It's rich and sweet with that little hint of spice, so really hope you enjoy it. Now for this recipe I'm not using a traditional pie crust. This is similar to a biscuit base, but of course feel free to make one to your preference, or to make things even easier you can buy one that's pre-made. Now into a food processor we're going to add in the almond flour, the oats and the maple syrup, the baking powder, the softened butter, starting with 3 tablespoons and adding another one if you need it, and give it a good blitz until everything is well combined and it starts to come together. When the mixture stays together when it's pressed, then you know it's ready. We're going to simply press down our mixture into a pie dish until it evenly covers the bottom and the sides. Then we're going to pop that into the oven for about 10 minutes while we get on to making the filling. Into the food processor we're going to add in 1 tin of pumpkin puree, the coconut milk, the maple syrup, the brown sugar, the corn flour, the vanilla, the cinnamon, the nutmeg, and the ginger. Then simply give it a good blitz until all the ingredients are well combined, scraping down the sides as you need to. Once the pie crust is out of the oven, we're then going to pour in our filling. Smoothing it out until it's nice and even. And into the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. Once out of the oven, we're going to pop that on the counter to cool completely before putting it in the fridge overnight to set. Once out of the fridge, you are ready to slice it up. Yummo! It's smooth and creamy and packed full of flavour and just perfect for this time of year. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, making sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye!